Hello everybody, my name is Ankari. Today I am going to show you how to make a website on Canva. First, we'll open Canva. Go on the URL bar and search www.canva.com. Canva.com has now opened. We'll close this. As you can see, I also make my thumbnails from here. So first, to make a website, you cannot just click anywhere. You have to click here. But if you want to make our own, go here. Go. You want to start anything. So website has opened. Don't click there. So this is how a website planner looks. So to start our website, we can do anything. So for this, we will take some ideas from Mr. ChatGPT. So we'll message ChatGPT. I don't know how the handwriting changed, but okay.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait.
So first, we'll have to message ChatGPT. Give me some ideas for my website. Or if you want, we can just make anything. So I decided I'm going to make on like I like a coupon code, or I'm going to show you the basics. So first we will first change the panel because this looks very boring. We'll change it to something from here, or if I want, I'll just make my own. Yeah. Actually, no. We'll select gradient and I'll make my own. What about red with some like not gray, with some like blue? I mean, so we'll go. Yeah, that was something like popsicle. I don't know. We'll make this pure white. We're gonna exchange. Okay, that looks something. That looks something else. Maybe this looks like nice. So we'll make on a clothing too. So first you'll get some clothing. This is premium, so you cannot use this. Go in graphics, and we are going to select like this. We are going to like we are going to make it like this, and we'll make it like this. No, actually this is premium. And some of maybe I want this. I'll take this. This will look better. This looks a little bit better than the last. Now we are going to make the heading. Add a heading. Now this will do the sizing for you. Now let's get some good handwritings. I think I'm gonna select no to serif display extra condensed. That looks nice. um um we'll name our shop name as simply dress. I think I did a grammatical mistake. So, okay then. Simply. Oh my god. I'll just read. Oh, now. Sorry. Simply dress. So, if we just like zoom it, and I kind of want to change the background and stuff. So, 1 second. I'm gonna go to effects. Like, I'm gonna make it like this, thick. I'll make this also black. Now, if you see, it is not visible, but when I do this, like so cool. Simply dress, and we're going to write another heading. The heading. Oh my god! I'll just like, you know what? I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna copy the same thing. Oh no, copy. I'll copy it. Oh right, I forgot to paste it. So simply dress is here again. But now we're going to write it. Now in India. I mean now in India because there's a sari here. So I'll make it now in Chennai. Chennai. And write, and then we're like, I'm gonna just write get 50% off on your first order. So now we're gonna like shorten it. Now you'll think this looks very messy. I also agree. So like we're gonna align it. We're going to align it to the center and to the bottom. See? Better. And now we're gonna align this too. Gonna put it to the center. We're gonna put it in the middle. So this is also aligned. We are gonna align this too. If you align it, it is already in the center and in the top. So okay. We're gonna shrink the sari a little bit. This is better. We're gonna like make these clothings more big. Yeah, that looks good. So now you can see that we are done. So we'll publish our website, but first we'll see how we'll look on the website. Now include navigation, full screen. 1 second. Now this is kind of zoomed because I'm using a short device. Yeah. This will look on a mobile. How will look on the desktop. Simply Dress now on Chennai. Get 20% off on your first order. Now, if you want, we can even link webs. So for example, I will link YouTube to it. So first, we'll get YouTube's URL. We're gonna get youtube.com and do Control C. Close this. And now, if you want, you can add a button. I think there's no space, but I'll try to show you guys. So we can use any button. Now we will add one of our video. We'll go to YouTube. Let's see what video I can post. This web. View my channel. This is my channel again. You know what? I'm gonna just put this. Welcome to my channel. So we'll share. Now you see this link, just copy it. You have copied it, go back to Simply Dress. We are going to link it. I'll press this, Control key, and paste the link you have copied. Now we cannot put the without the display mode, but if we want, we can just put the whole video. So we'll put this, Control V. As you can see, it is pasted like this. We'll put it here, something like, yeah. I wish I could shrink it more. Where should I put it? Where should I put it? Oh my god. Looks like I gotta remove the jeans or the jeans. So we'll put it here. And now we're gonna publish it. So now we're going to write our website. Simply Dress. Sorry, I don't know it's spelling mistake again. Open backspace. Simply Dress. Publish website. It is preparing our design. Okay. So now when it's preparing your design, I'll show you this. And I will go to view website. As you can see, it is just awesome. You can even click buttons from here. That's so cool. Here too. I'm so small. So we'll come here. As you can see, it has now made our this. Then we can even open this video when you watch on YouTube. As you can see, my channel is here. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.